everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Sabrina and we are doing an unpacking together from Evermoment. So, I ordered this picture with the last picture. They were ordered at the same day, same time, same company. And this one came to me, or it arrived like 2 weeks later. Even though it was sad, it did arrive, so that was a big mess, but I'm happy it is there. I did already unwrap the gray plastic foil bubble wrap thing, and we are good to go. So the first one, or not the first one, this one I ordered this on the New Year's sale, so it is a little bit back. It is a 60 by 80 beautiful landscape, or a landscape that my boyfriend picked, so I was a little bit okay, but alright. But I mean, I understand we want to hang it up in our apartment, so we both should like it, and he picked it, so I'm fine. And alright, what I saw is that this is broken. You can see the drills already there, and this side is broken too. I mean, I don't know, but is it that hard? I mean, there is a whole thing of bubble wrap around, so I had no idea why this is broken at all, but alright. So, I'm getting in there because this is a little popped open. Oh man, see that? Alright, so, okay, we're starting with orange washi tape, then, oops, a toolkit with sharp tweezers, spongy, boat. I'm just unpacking it. Alright, sharp tweezers. I really love those tweezers. They are really good. So, big fan. Spongy. 3-placer. And I don't know how many placer, because I don't even use it. And the single placing girl. 2 pieces of wax. And the boat. Alright. Just put it on the side. And, oh, little baggies. But honestly, they are never enough. I mean, never enough bags. So, I didn't use them. I use it for every other thing. I put my wax in it because I do have so many waxes left, and I'm so sorry about my nails. I shortened them, and yeah, I shortened it a little bit too much. Right, we have bag 3 of 3. Then we have bag 2 of 3. Oh, I love that blue. And we have bag 1 of 3. Alright, and so I'm not sure. Should I show you the canvas before the drills? I don't know. Yeah, I think yeah. Alright. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. So I learned, because I do learn every time a little bit more, that I shouldn't roll it up the other way. There it is. Because it is not port glue. I heard you don't roll it up when it's not poured glue. So I'm not sure how I should do it then, but if you see a cut, that was me. Alright, so it is going to be this picture that I think it looks beautiful, but honestly I do have a different one in my mind. Oh, there is something. I did something run out of ink, but I mean I know how it works. So, but honestly, this is not. I mean, I like it much better. So, all right. I thought it's one big mountain and the sky and the mirror thing in the lake, or so. Okay, I don't care. I mean, I like it even better, so that's fine. I don't know. How should I roll this up? But I'm not rolling it up in the other way. Okay, let's see if this works. I think I'm just putting my phone on it because I think it's heavy enough to keep it down. Alright, and then not bump the camera. Here we go. There's a lot of that you don't see. Alright. Here we go. Okay, so now that I have the toolkit for my rose that I did, that I'm not, or I'm still working on it. So I gotta pour, I pull it. Okay, pulling it, very gentle. And you still don't see. This is a big one, I know. I'm sorry, my skin is really dry, so. Alright. So, where's up, where's down? I don't even know. We'll see. I don't know, where's... Oh, okay. This one is the down. This one is the bottom. Alright, this is where the... Oh. Wow. Wow. This is a big, oh my god, picture. And you don't even see that much. Okay. Yeah. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm just admiring it. So, okay, there's a little thing. That's okay. I just wanted to check if this is a river, but I don't think it is. Now I'm just using something pretty flat to put it back on. Right. And the next one. Okay. And now the other part. Alrighty. Well, something that I've seen on Evermoment is that they don't really get those two covering parts really good on it. So it is always a little bit overlapping. Wow. I like it. I really like it. So I'm very happy that my boyfriend picked it. Even though I had a different picture in my mind. Whoops. Ready. Hope you've seen it. Now that I've. So, hope do you see all? I can't even zoom you out more. Maybe I'm just. Sorry, it will be moving. Moving the camera. So this is the picture. Down here is the mirror thing going on. And I like it. I really like it. This will be huge. Oh my god. Wow. Big wow. So, alright, I'm taking my ruler thing. I have no idea how it's called in English, so sorry. There we go. Oops. And this part. Oh. Alright. So good. Oh wow. Wow. Alright. Now the next thing, we're starting with 1. I don't even know. Oh, those are very stiff. But the drills do look okay-ish. I think they are good. So, alright. So they are all in order. That's making it a little bit easier, I hope. Okay, so we have the number 160. Then 161. 318. Whoops. Oh, 318 again. Then 3345. Oh, 820. Oh, I hope they're better because the 820 on the rose is like a nightmare, and this is the color I did already run out. Okay, then, wow, pink 3354. $38.42. 37.26. Then 9.61. 53. Oh my god. Then I have 7.21. Then 7.99. 7.94, I think. Yeah. Then 500s and 3.17. Right, that was the first bag. Now on to the second. There are those beautiful blues in it. Right, we have 38, 32, 33, 46, and a lot of 995. Oh, this is really beautiful. I like it. Then 3760, 157, 3052, 3712, 517, 3854. I'm sorry if I do stumble. This is when I form the German numbers and then I do get a twist. So 3 tens, just one bag of 3 tens. Okay. Oh, purple. 550. This is gorgeous. Then 939. I think this is a very dark blue. Then 3750. Ooh. And a lot of 3041. And third bag, and then we are done. Alright. Oh, those are the little bags. Alright. Oh. 3364. I keep them there. Then 905. 3345. Oh, I have that. The big ones too. Oh boy. Oh, the same. 3842. I don't even know. Do I have them all? 312. Oh, white. This is 3865. Then 3726. 961. Oh, I think I do have some of them. 3855. This is, I think, the same color. I have two of. 1966. That 19? No, sorry, that's a 9 and an arrow. So sorry. 966. Then 915. So, but this is really helpful. This is really good. I mean, you can read it this way or this way. So very smart. Very smart. Then 3807. 3832. 712. 3041. I think I have them. Then 3726. Oops. 3712. Then 3340. No, 54. I think I have about a few, not all, but a couple. 704 in the big ones. So, have I shown you this one? 3807. I don't know. Then another big one. 915. And then we have 3052. It would focus. And a 157. Okay, just believe me. Then 589. Damn it! I'm really having a twist there. then I've already shown you. And this is, I think, something I've shown you too. 947. Ooh, lovely pink. 554. And the same one again. And this is a 312. 561. 154. Oh, another the purple. 550. This is really beautiful. Then 794. 317. Started with them. 818. And a big bag. 312. Ooh. 3760. Just a couple to go. Then 3726. I think I've shown you a couple times right now. Then we have 161. I've shown you those before. 500. 939. 517. And 799. So, okay. So, I think when I kit it up, I will focus on the big bags. I just take this one, for example. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 big bags. So I think when I kit something up, that's just how I do it. I will kit up about 3 to 4, and I will leave the other ones in those plastic bags. And just when I see that I do run out of my drills that I did kit up, I will open the next 1 or 2, depends on how I see how many drills I need. So this is something that I will kit up next, and then we are good to go, or I'm good to go. I don't know how I keep you with me, or how much I will take you along with me. We'll see. But this one will be the next project that I'm working on, so I cannot wait to start it because I'm really in love with the picture. Even though I thought it is another one. But I don't mind because honestly, I like this one much better than the one I had in my mind. So maybe I was wrong. Doesn't matter. I'm really happy to work on this one because I think the quality here will be so much better than the one that I have been working on the last couple of weeks. So I'm really looking forward to this one. So yeah, so this was it. And I hope you see me, I see you, we talk, we chat, we just comment on it and I will respond, I guess. Yeah, so see you guys on my next video and bye bye.